Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the one of the most important interview question or commonly asked interview question, and the question is what are the main components of the automation framework. So this question is asked to check whether you are really understand how framework is structured internally. So let's break it down step by step in a simplest way. So basically automation framework is made up of the different components that work together to execute the test case the efficiently. What is automation framework? Automation framework is made up of a different component that work together to execute the test case efficiently. In short, the main component of the automation framework include the test script, page object model class, utility class, test data management, configuration file, test engine for execution reporting, and the build tool like Maven. So what are the component of the automation framework? So first component is a test script, then page object model class, then utility class, then test data management, config file, test engine for execution reporting, and the build tool Maven. So these are the components that we are going to use while making the automation framework. I hope guys you understood this component. So basically automation framework is made up of the different components that work together to execute the test case efficiently, and component like test script, form class, page object model classes, utility classes, test data management, configuration file, test ng for the executions, reporting for the report generations, and the build tool like Maven are the component of the automation framework. In our automation framework, the main components are test script. So test script contain the actual test case. What is test script? Test script contain actual test script which is written in the Java or Python. What is test script? Test script is actual test cases which is written in any language like Java, Python, and we create the test classes like login test and the payment test. Then second component is a page object model classes. So page object model class mean is store the web element and the action. As you when we create any login page, like suppose we create a login page, then there we stored first web element, and then we create a method. So this to store this web element and to store this web to method, we create a page object model classes, and these are also components of our framework. So each page equal to the separate class. Then third component is a base class which contain the common setup like WebDriver initialization, browser setup, or URL launch. Now fourth component is a utility classes. We use utility classes for the reusable method like wait handling, screenshot capture, Excel reading. Then fifth component is a test data management, and for the test data management we use Excel with the Apache POI library, JSON file, and the property file by using called config file. So what is property file? Property file is a text file which stored entry in a key value pair. Excel means it is a Apache POI library. For to use the Excel we have to use this dependency for the Apache POI library. Then for the Excel data we can use JSON, and we can also use property file. Property file is a text file which is we store the value in a key value format. Then sixth component is a configuration file, and the configuration file stored URL, browser, and the environment. Seventh component is a test execution framework. Test execution framework means here we are using the test engine, JUnit. So these are the test engine framework, and we are using test engine. It handle the test execution, parallel executions, and the grouping. Suppose interviewer asks for the text execution or for the parallel execution, for the grouping, which tools are you are using or which framework you are using. So we are using test engine. For the report generation, we are using the extent report like that, and the reporting means we generate the execution report. Because when we use the test ng, so test ng gives us a HTML report. It is a basic report, and when we use extent report, we get which test cases pass, which test cases is failed. So all detail about failed test cases we get with the help of extent report or the Allure report. Then 9 component is a build tool, and the build tool we are using Maven. So Maven means it manages the dependency and the execution. The 10 component is the CI/CD integrations, and we are using Jenkins for a CI/CD integration which run test the automatically. So as a syntax of the property files, we create the properties class object, like property is equal to new property. Then here we are storing the path of the properties file, and here we load this property file, and with the help of the get property method we are loading, or we are fetching the value of this property file. Here pass we have to key. So these are the syntax of the property file. This is a full working code. Here we create the property class object, then we pass the file configuration file path. Here we are loading the properties, these properties value, and here we are giving the key that we do to fetch the value. So this is the framework structure, like SRC test Java. It contains base class, page class, test class, utility configurations, and the report. This is the structure. Now how it works? We use base class, which is launch browser, or the common setup. Then test class for the call the test cases. Page class perform actions, all store web element. Utility class handle common function configuration, we read the environment data like URL, browser name, or credential like username or the PWD password, and report for the show the result. So without star method, you should answer like in my framework we have component like base class for the setup, page object class for the UI action, test script for the test execution, utility for the reusable method, and the configuration file for the environmental setup, and this component make the framework scalable and the maintainable. These are the star method answer, as you can see on the screen. These are the component comparison table: test script, POM, base class, utility configuration, and the reporting. These are common mistake that you can do in the missing base class, hard coding value. For the missing base class means code duplicacy. Hard coding value means not secure. Not using pod means messy code. No reporting means we didn't know about which test cases fall, which test case space, and missing everything in one class when we didn't use form plus data driven framework. So based into your hand, you should tell like in our automation framework, the main component include base class for the web driver setup, page object model for handling UI element, test script for the test execution, utility class for reusable method, configuration file for environmental setup, and the test data management. We also use TestNG for the execution control, Maven for build management, and extend report for the reporting. So these components together make the framework scalable, reusable, and the easy to maintain. So this is all about your component framework component or project component that you use in your framework or your project. As a quick revision summary, so this is a quick revision summary. So guys, if you I hope you understood this component question in very well, and if you have any query regarding this question, please comment down in the comment box. I try to understand in another video in a simple way. And guys, I have created one PDF which contains 5000 plus interview question and 3000 plus practical exercises. These 5000 question contain Selenium plus Java, manual testing, API testing, REST Assured, Playwright, SQL, Git, Jira, Agile, Jenkins, project framework, and domain. I added 5 domain like e-commerce, healthcare, banking, insurance, BFSI. 300 plus Java program in very detailed scenario based question I have added. 500 plus scenario question I have added. All questions follow a same answer structure like short definition, long definition, star method, without star method, real life example, real time example, and also added how you should explain the question answer in a professional way, with star method, without star method. And this content 2000 plus Selenium exercises, 500 plus practical exercise for the research word and the API testing. And guys, if you want this PDF, please check YouTube community post or description box or comment box. I am giving the link in the description box and the comment box. And guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video, share with your friend who is preparing for the automation testing role, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Testing Corner. See you in the next video with a more real-time interview question. Till then, keep learning, keep testing, and thank you so much for watching. Once again, thank you so much.